Okay, we're going to multiply these two together, but before we do that I'm going to break them down to try to make life simpler in the long run. So if I break down root 15, that's root 3 times root 5. So I'm going to put root 3 root 5. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. So that's root 3, root 3, root 3. If I then take these numbers and order them, and so I have all the root 3's together at the front, so I'm going in ascending order. I've also got my root 5. I can then see that root 3 times root 3 is 3. We've got root 3 times root 3 is 3 again, and then we've got root 5 at the end, which gives me 3 times 3 is 9, 9 lots of root 5. So again, we can go for our root 15 times root 60. Well, I'm going to show you two different ways. Root 15, well that could be root 5 times root 3 times root 5 times by now 60. 60 is 5/12, so that could be root 5 times root 12. Now that 12 can be split up further. So far I've got root 3 times root 5 times root 5 times root 12. 3 and 5, they're prime numbers, so I can't break it down any further, but root 12 can be broken down. So I've still got my leading roots. Now root 12 is root 3 times root 4. Well, let's try to rearrange this again. We've got root 3 times root 3 times root 5 times root 5. We've also got this root 4 at the end. I haven't put that in ascending order because I know root 4 is 2, so I'm not going to try to break that down any further. I've got root 3 times root 3 is 3, root 5 times root 5 is 5, the square root of 4 is 2. Give me an answer of 30. Who'd have thought root 15 times root 60 is 30? And an alternative way, if we try to split down root 15 and root 60, well, we could start to combine the two. If we look at root 15, this would be the same as saying 4 lots of 15, that's what 60 is. So if we put this root 15 times root 4 times root 15, this is by my spotting squares method again, you very quickly see that you've got root 15 times root 15 times by root 4. Root 15 times root 15 is 15, square root of 4 is 2, which gets me an answer of 30. Now the interesting thing here is that root 15 is an irrational number, so is the square root of 60, and yet 30 is a rational number rather than irrational. So you can get two irrational numbers that multiply together to give a rational.